Kartel me and tell you the truth. I've cried tears, dog, and bench me, dog.
Buju Bandung, Burst Hammond, you name it. Okay? Buju.
So Nation Walk One, it's your boy AJ back in the building with another episode, another review. Now we can see where the dancehall artists them are come together, Nation, and are the right thing. You see me, I see we can see where from Bounty Killer, big up artists them and say a unity team say. We can see where Vybz Kartel and Masicka now link, because it's been a long time where we don't see the dancehall artists them come together and make songs together anymore like that. You see me? Plus we all travel the US and I do a lot of things together. Is it? It's a good look. It's a good look, man, for the dancehall artists them. We have to say props to Vybz Kartel, because from Vybz Kartel come out of jail, all of that does change and all of that possible to do. Right now, for like dancehall artists, them are come together and make hits like Marley and Skillibeng and Shensia. But throughout all of that, we can see where MC Nuff take to his Instagram stating that he must give Vybz Kartel in flowers because Vybz Kartel actually come back and change in life. You see me? I say. No, we can see where a European promoter call out Buju and Berrysaman stating that Buju and Berrysaman don't want to travel or tour Europe. We don't know if because I whole Vybz Kartel saga in a Trinidad make this a promoter come out and I say them thing here. Before we get into anything, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to share the video, tell a friend to watch it. We have Masicka and Vybz Kartel out at the after party after the Atlanta show in America. And don't forget to check out the big bad artist Dropper Dan. Me alright.
Man, we're hungry, dog. There's food there. Don't keep waiting. Yeah, take a joke too far. I'm out.
That's Real Boss and Masicka vibing out, and TJ Scatterbarrel said we can see where MC Nuffy take to his Instagram giving Vybz Kartel his flowers and thanking Vybz Kartel because myself and Vybz Kartel come back from jail. Vybz Kartel take him out of the struggles back and put him back on him foot again.
Kartel me and tell you the truth. I've cried tears, dog, and bench me, dog. The man of the stars, them want to see me. The man of the stars, them want to see me. Want to know who is me. Dog, as I want to run out of my eye out. You know. Look at these things. You have to talk about it, brother. In a Airbnb, me want in a 3 fucking room. Kartel a youth to this youth. A youth do them thing a youth. Wake up and come in a Airbnb. My clothes, water run out of my eye youth. See there? My clothes, and me just take off my clothes and right there. So, zeal, and go up in my stairs and me invite some people, street vibes, so me have inside in my Airbnb. They get to me I deal with, and I drink, brother. Water run out of my eye, youth. Dog, them bench me, look what you do to my life, youth. Yeah, the stars them wanna see us Jamaica on for proud of the youth, you know. Me that all I show them, not show them miss me. Me that all I show them, what do this for nothing. Yo, you never know it. Yo, dog. Look what you do, dog. Dog, look what you do, dog. Never hate the youth. Yeah. Yo, that you never know. Look what you do, yo. We me wanna be in a 3 fucking room. Me not rate you, youth. Yo, remember them bench me. Remember me sit down on the net and me a defend you. All the people saying they not with me and not look for me. And I like me, youth. Look what you do, youth. I'm a master blood clot bedroom this. Airbnb. See my clothes and the brother. Kartel, look what you do, youth. Look what you do, youth. Yeah, the fucking stars, them wanna see me, want know me. I pass, man, I say, you need enough your shit, man. From the Akon, every stars. Look what we do, Jamaica, on a rate of youth and name Kartel. I'm a the real true king of dancehall. Almost what? With the New York. See? Me say all of the stars, them. When me can name. Everybody, when me stand up right, everybody shake me and then I show me love. One time we want to be the star. Where would I love to shake them and we know every show Kartel, every city him go, every rapper, everybody female to male want forward. And come show.
Nation, and tell me what you think in the comment box about MC Nuff. Tell me if him go too far by crying or him just be himself and be real. Now we can see where a European promoter all of a sudden come out bash Buju Banton and Beres Amans, stating that them no want tour Europe no more or come to Europe no more if we do no show for them. Well, me no know if because since Vybz Kartel and the Trinidad promoter go at it, make this European promoter come out bash Buju and Beres Amans.
Buju Banton versus Hammond, you name it. Okay? Buju is asking for crazy money, and since he went out of prison, he just want to do big stadiums or big arenas in the US. But he just came for one show. The first show was in Summer Jam in Germany, and he got paid 100,000 euros. 150,000 euros. It's crazy money. So the thing is that Buju Banton, he doesn't want to tour anymore in Europe. He doesn't want to tour because he pretends to get paid, 20,000 per night. And it's impossible in Europe. And Beres Hammond, same. He wants to come to Europe. He wants to come with 19 people touring, and he's asking for crazy fees. Beres Hammond can put, let's say, 600, in between 600 to 1,000 people in a venue. So how much you have to charge per ticket to get what he wants to, what he expect to be paid?
So Beres can for 5,000 people?
Not more in Europe. Just in England, he has a huge fan base in England, but not in Europe. And they don't want to adapt at the Europe reality.
No, we can see where Buju jump in at the comment box and say slavery time done, cause a long time him know this and money and I work with this and money and have to pay for all his own bands out of pocket and them thing the first time. Well, we can see where Buju let our producer and Europe know say slavery time done and it's not about getting exploited anymore. So go on, we like unity where dancehall artists them are enforced in a dance which are gonna make dance. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch, big up everybody we are share it is me I say. I appreciate you all on, you know what I mean. Until next time guys, we out.